Hi, we're here at Axis Registered Massage Therapy here in Ottawa, Ontario. My name's Adam. I'm one of the registered massage therapists as well as a co-owner here at the clinic, and I'm here today to show you how to foam roll your quads. Now, at the clinic we do this because a lot of times we see clients who have overused quads, a lot of tension in the quads from a lot of their workouts or activity, or maybe we have clients who sit a lot at a desk job and have some shortness that is developed from chronic sitting. Okay? So foam rolling the quads helps to relieve that tension, improve the muscle's flexibility, and basically help to improve posture through those two mechanisms. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate. I'm going to get my two quads on top of the foam roller here, and I'll walk you through it. So placing the foam roller against my knees, I'm just going to hold it there with one hand and walk myself out, allowing my forearms to support my body. My quads are resting on top of the foam roller, and I'm going to move up and down, being careful not to roll over the kneecap. That's very important. And if I find a spot that is particularly tender or tight, I might stop there. I might take a 30-second hold here and just breathe deeply, allowing that pressure to help release the tension. And then I'll move on, working the quads for about 1 to 2 minutes. And that's how you foam roll the quads.